Hello! In this tutorial, we'll learn how to set up Phinder to automatically review our code. So let's get started in our repository. In our hypothetical example, we have some code that might cause security issues for our project. So let's create a rule in Phinder to automatically review it for us. Let's go into Cider and click on Settings and switch on Phinder. Then go back to our repository. Let's create a new tab. Choose the branch and create a configuration file. We can find helpful details on the Phinder GitHub repository. Scroll down. We'll copy phinder.yaml and paste it as the file name. For our rule, we'll use the template on the Phinder repository and paste it in. The ID could be anything you like, but we recommend naming it to something related to the project and rule. For our pattern, we'll copy the code that might cause issues and use it as our pattern. We'll add a Lodash in front of the code. For Phinder, a Lodash represents any PHP expression. For the message, let's use the comment and edit it to fit our standard message. Make sure the YAML file is correctly formatted. Once that's all done, we can commit new file. Once that's saved, let's go back into Cider and go to our pull request. Cider will analyze our pull request again. You'll notice that this time Phinder will be included in our analysis. The analysis will take some time. We sped it up for the video. Once the analysis is complete, we can see that Phinder found issues related to the rule we created. So it works. If you'd like to learn more, please go to help.cider.review. Thank you for watching.